.50 caliber machine gun going off. They're shooting it from a tank over here. Don't ask me why there's a tank over here with a .50 caliber machine gun going off, but things you have to deal with when you're filming. That's a good one there. A video we do each year. We talk about the top 20 products purchased by you guys through our links down below. We like to always share them and recap the year in case you guys are missing out on some just awesome products that everybody seems to think are pretty good, because again, these are the most purchased by you, my viewers. So let's just go ahead and start it out with number 20, and that is the friction door hinge kit. This is a new one to the list. This is something we added to our Solitude recently. It was a great upgrade because the wind used to slam the door open and closed all the time. We installed one friction hinge on it, and now the wind, when it blows, the door doesn't move. It's been great, makes it easier to get in and out, and we've been loving that one. Next up is an item that always makes the list each year. Actually, it's two items. This is a combo unit because this is the Frost King and foam cleaner for the AC units. Each year we like to get on the roof and maintain our AC units before the season starts. You want to clean the evaporator coils and the condenser coils. And these two products are just something you have to have that everybody should kind of travel with and keep on hand. Again, Amazon links for those below, as well as everything we talk about today. But obviously I can tell you guys are out there doing your AC maintenance, because this makes the list every year. So I can tell you guys are out there purchasing these and getting on those roofs and maintaining those AC units. Number 18, a new one to the list this year, and that is the Flip and Seal style caps. We did a video previously where I replaced my seals around my slide outs with a upgraded automotive rubber material that will not deteriorate in the sun. It's UV protective. It's almost like a automobile style rubber. And they come with these Flip and Seal style caps. These caps are made to work with the Flip and Seal slide out seals. And what's great about these is not only do they look awesome up there and just make the look a whole lot cleaner in the corner of these seals, but it also adds protection against leaks as well. 303 UV protectant. It's something I've been using for years. Now with the one product we just talked about, the Flip and Seal slide out seals, you actually don't need to use this on your slide out seals anymore, but I actually use the Aerospace 303 UV protectant on all kind of stuff. I like to use it on my Jeep and truck, on the dash. I like to use it on the tires. Any rubbers or plastics that you basically have outside and you want to protect from the harsh elements of the sun, this stuff has always been great. I do recommend that you read the directions on the correct application process. I think this is where a lot of people go wrong with this one. You do want to make sure that you clean first and that you actually put it on and then actually rub it off with a different cloth. But just make sure you check on that when you use the product. Always been happy with it. Number 16, a set of flip sockets. Just something I've had since day one that always comes in handy, whether I'm doing bearings, changing tires, reinstalling different hitches. When you need some good sockets, some half-inch drive sockets, these are very convenient. It's always my go-to. It's just a nice little handy case that I've always kept in my vehicles or in the basement of my RV when I'm traveling. And you basically get 8 different size sockets that are pretty heavy duty and just convenient when you need them. 15, another new one for this year, and that is the Hughes Power Watchdog. We recently upgraded to the Power Watchdog EMS surge protector versus the Progressive Industries that we had for years in the past. And what I really love about the Watchdog is the app that it comes with. Once you have this app, you can actually see your usage on each leg of the RV, how much power you're bringing in. I mean, not only does it protect the camper and all that good stuff, but you can really monitor each thing. It's kind of fun to turn on a heater, a coffee maker, and see how much power it's drawing. And this way you're actually not tripping breakers if you're kind of unsure about it. So not only does it, do everything a basic EMS does, but it's also just nice that you can go to the app and really dive into your power usage to see where things are at. So been loving the Watchdog. The Govee Wi-Fi water alarms. These water alarms, I can't recommend them enough. Something we've always had in our basements and strategic locations in our RV for the years since we've had it. Now, if you put these in good spots, it's going to notify you and let you know on your phone via Bluetooth that you have a leak. It's a great way to monitor areas that you cannot see, because trust me, we've actually been saved by water alarm detectors. I believe up to maybe 4 times now we've had them go off for usually pretty minor leaks, but one of them was really big, and it's just not something that you want to let go unnoticed. If you don't have an alarm detector down there, you're going to get a leak, you're not going to know about it, and then that's when the damage will happen to the RV. So especially with the Go V, that's going to notify your phone that you have one instead of just chirping really loud and letting you know that way. Number 13, it always makes the list, and it's just basically a set of rubber wheel chocks. These are the kinds we've been always using. It's always held up great. I do prefer these versus the plastic ones, which can, if accidentally get run over, they will crack and break. Guilty of that. A long time ago we did that. So I do like these Max Haul rubber wheel chocks, and it's just one of those standard day one items you need to get. Nothing fancy, but it just gets the job done. RV SnapPads. This is one that's made the list for, I believe, 2 years in a row now. Big believer in the RV SnapPad. In years past, we've used the RV SnapPad in conjunction with the Andersen jack blocks. But what's great about the RV SnapPads is it's universal for travel trailers, fifth wheels, Class A motor coaches, like my new one behind me. We're getting the SnapPads for that one. It's also great because not only do they do the permanent RV SnapPad feet, which attach and always stay on, but now they have these stacker blocks, which I really like. They're rated for some serious weight to where I can drive a 30,000 pound Class A motor coach up on them and not have to worry about it. So when you're on a site that's really unlevel, and even if you already have your jack pads, you may sometimes need to still jack those wheels up a little bit. So these new stacker pads are great. And the SnapPads just really help with sand and gravel and dirt from sinking down into the ground and from ruining your asphalt or concrete sites as well. We even own our own site right here. So I would hate for the jacks to come down and start damaging my concrete. Guys, you can use our code YWAIT and links down below, and you can save 10% off any RV SnapPad product. Okay, next up on the list is the Thetford Drain Valve Lube. This is a great one to maintain your black and gray tanks. We'd like to dump this down the tank. It's going to keep those gate valves inside the tanks lubed up, and they're not going to get dried up. So that's something that you really want to keep working, because once these get dried up, you're going to be in trouble. You have to get down there and replace them. I've had to replace one before, not because it dried up, but it got stuck and came out. Not a fun job, so it's something I can't recommend enough. You want to keep those gate valves working. Getting into the top 10 and kicking it off is going to be the Blue Technology water hose. If you guys watch our channel, you know we're big supporters of the Blue Technology water filtration system and all of their accessories. Well, one of our top sellers that people are clicking on our links is actually the stainless steel braided water hose. And I can't talk enough about these hoses. I've been through tons of hoses as an RVer. The greatest thing about this one is it's UV protectant and heat resistant. When you leave these hoses out, guys, they will get baked in the sun. They will build up mold and mildew inside and get real nasty. I've cut them open before. It's not good. But with the Blue Technology stainless steel braided hose, again, you can leave it out in the sun outside where our hoses sit, and you don't have to worry about that. It's also NSF certified, which you won't find on any other RV water hoses. So you're gonna get that safe, clean drinking water, not only going through your filtration system and into your camper, but running through your hose, which is important too. Absolutely love these things. They seem indestructible. It's a great hose, and we'll have a link below that you'll have to use if you want to get 7% off these hoses or any Blue Technology product. So the next one on the list is a new item. It is Kint's Automotive Acrosol. This was actually a product that was recommended to me by Dustin Simpson, an RV tech that has his own shop out in California. We got into a video that we did together talking about resealing your RV, and he highly recommended this product for prepping and removing the old sealant and silicone. It's kind of one that you can use to remove everything. It's great at removing like anything stuck on the RV. If I have something super sticky or hard to get off, I love using this. But the great thing is it's also what you can use to kind of prep the area to be resealed. It's a little bit pricey. You can find it on Amazon. We'll have links below. But for me, it's been well worth it to have it on hand. Another new one on the list here at number 8 is just a simple little clip-on fan. These are just things that we use in the RV to stay cool. They're USB plugins. We like to keep them on our bed. We like to keep them on the bunk. It's just a really simple, cheap product that actually makes a difference in the RV and helps keep us cool and give us a little bit of white noise in the bedroom. Motion sensor lighting. We love motion sensor lighting, but I don't love these anymore, and I won't recommend them anymore. After we've been using these for about a year and a half, we've actually had to replace 2 of them. They seem to get a little wonky after charging. Sometimes they come on while charging and they seem to kind of flicker and you can't quite get the little button. So while I love motion sensor lights, I'm not going to recommend these anymore. But what I do recommend are these puck style lights that just use Energizer AAA batteries. I get the rechargeable AAA batteries. That's all we have in the RV. And we simply use this recharging plug-in pack right here to just keep them charged up. It just seems easier than the USB ones. So I do love these puck motion sensor lights. We've actually had these even longer. No issues with those whatsoever. And once you kind of have enough batteries on hand, it's really just as convenient to me. Number 6, this handy dandy little fuse kit. These RVs have tons of hidden fuses all over the place, from 2 to 10 to 50 amps. With this kit right here, I know I always have the right size fuse on hand somewhere, and it's just something that you should travel with. Good for the automobile, good for the RV, and this has made the list every single year. It's a great item to just keep stored on hand for the emergencies. When you need it, you'll be glad you got it. Number 5, and this is the last one that's new on the list. Our top 4 are the same top 4 as always. They've just changed the order a little bit. But number 5 is the RESEAL sealant. So we talked about that video where we resealed the camper, and I've recently switched from the Proflex RV sealant over to RESEAL. Now the RESEAL, I will say, was a lot easier to go on. It was easier to work with. It's a lot, I think it was more clear. I liked the way it looked, and I had only used it for about 7 months and it still held up great. I can't give you a long-term review on it, to be honest with you, because it was on my Solitude. We have sold the Solitude, it's gone, so I really honestly don't know how well the RESEAL has been holding up for a year or longer. But I will say I've always heard good things about it. Number 4 on the list this year, and it was number 12 on the list last year, and that is the Safer Home fly trap right here. You simply plug these into any outlet, and it has a small glow to it with the sticky pad. Simple as can be, but I will tell you, this will catch house flies, it'll catch sewer flies, it'll catch gnats, mosquitoes. It's actually amazing how much stuff you realize is flying around your RV sometimes when you plug these in and you see what's starting to get stuck to the back of them. So these are really great. We have 2 of these. We have one of these usually in the bathroom, one in the kitchen, and during the summertime, when all these little creatures are sneaking into the small gaps in your RV, you'll be happy to have these. Been super happy with them. And they make a great night light at nighttime as well. Number 3 on the list was actually number 3 on the list last year, and it's one of my favorite products. It's something that if you watch my channel, you know I use all the time, and that is BoShield T9 Rust and Corrosion Protection. Also a dry lube. Use this all over the RV. You can pretty much, anywhere that you would use a dry lube, you can use this. But it's also great for spraying on any metal parts outside to protect it from rust and corrosion. BoShield T9 is one of my go-to now for pretty much all of my maintenance needs, and I was able to eliminate carrying a bunch of products. So still loving BoShield T9. Down to the top 2 on the list, and they've actually swapped spots this year. And at number 2 is the Proflex RV Sealant, which we just talked about a second ago. Proflex RV Sealant is what I had used in the past to always reseal my RV sidewalls. Again, we're not talking about the roof. You need a lap sealant for that. Proflex RV Sealant seemed to held up pretty well under the conditions, but over time, I would say after about 3 years of using it, it started to get a little yellowish and it started cracking and flaking off, and that's when I switched to RESEAL to replace it with. With sealant, it's something you sometimes just have to try out and see what works best for you and see what holds up in your conditions, see what you like, what is easier to apply. Sometimes just sticking with basic silicone. It's really a big debate in the RV world, but overall, for the years I did use it, Proflex RV Sealant, I was pretty happy with it. And the number 1 product purchased by you guys, my viewers, over the past year, number 2 last year, number 1 this year, that is Eternabond tape. I know it's a very controversial product, and it depends on how you use it. I liked to use it as a whole roof modification, where I completely did my whole roof, covering up all my sealant, so I would never have to reseal the top of the RV roof again. Some people like to carry it just as an emergency tape for if you get a puncture, a hole, or a leak on the roof, you can use this Eternabond tape. I will say it is rated to work 18 to 35 years. It'll probably outlast the life of your RV. It is UV protectant. The sun's rays will not harm this over time, unlike regular lap sealant, which does have to be replaced over time. But again, I just put the products out there. What I use, what I recommend, whichever way you go is fine. Both work. And the biggest thing with the Eternabond tape is, again, just how you prep to put it down. You always want to make sure you clean properly, get the air out of it. And if you do apply this tape properly, it should last you pretty much almost basically forever. There you have it, the top 20 for this year. As always, appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the list. All the links down below, as always, if you want to check out any of these products. We'll see you guys next time.